What's up, guys? I've been in a lull here lately, hadn't been making any content. I really need to do a tire review on the scooter. I could probably do one on the DR too, because I just put new tires on it. But anyway, I am really torn. So I've hit the 1,000 mark, and I'm looking at getting a new action camera set up, and I cannot make up my mind. I really love the idea of the new GoPro Hero 11 Mini, not the black, but the Mini. It's got the mounting fingers on the bottom and the back. It's got all the same internal camera features as the 11 black does, as far as image stabilization and all that good stuff. And the only problem, I mean, I was on their website, had it in my cart, and was ready to pre-order it, and I realized that, thanks to a comment from someone else I had messaged about it earlier in the day, that it does not support an external microphone. So, I mean, it's got a USB-C charging plug port on the side of it, and so I just assumed I could buy the GoPro adapter, microphone adapter, and plug it in, and yeah, it's kind of cumbersome and whatnot, but I figured it would work, but it says on the website that it's not compatible. So that scratches that. The other one I'm looking at is the DJI Action 3, and the problem I have with the Action 3 is, or really I don't have any problems with it other than I cannot find anyone actually using it that gets good audio. The only way to get good audio is to have their wireless mic set up, and that costs like more than the camera. Cameras, I think, is like $329, and the wireless audio mics, they come in a pair and come with the module that plugs into the camera, and they're like $369 or $349, and I can't spend that kind of money. And if I was going to spend that kind of money, I would maybe look into, what is the helmet audio company? Sena. So just like the Prism Cube Wi-Fi use, they've got a Sena camera that's got image stabilization and stuff like that built in, but then it's also got speakers, so you can pair with other Bluetooth Sena users and talk and listen to your radio and take phone calls, and it's like $500, $529. So if I'm going to spend $5 or more, then I'd probably go that route, so I'd also get those other features. And the audio that I've heard from it seems to be really good, but GoPro really dropped the ball on that 11 Mini. I was so excited to get that and start upgrading the quality of the content I was putting out, and now I'm kind of bummed because that's not going to work unless they come out and release and say that they're going to somehow support external audio, but the website says that it does not, so a little frustrating. But anyway, more videos to come eventually. I just got to get out of the funk and get back in the groove of things.